and start taking gentle, slow, and deep breaths. Now, focus your awareness on the beautiful scenery of the sea. Feel yourself relaxing as you watch the beautiful moment of love. Now, close your eyes and continue to breathe slowly. Now, visualize yourself being present at the peaceful seashore you saw. Now you are sitting on the chair, looking at the peaceful sea. Now you see yourself softly breathing in and out as you listen to the sound of waves rolling in before you. Feel your mind and body becoming serene and languid as you listen to the sound of waves. When you slowly breathe in, you feel your body filled with the energy of the sea. When you slowly breathe out, you feel all the tension releasing from your body. You are relaxing as you breathe, and you are breathing as you relax. Now, recall your memory of love with your mind's eye as vividly as you can. Visualize the people you love or the memories of the times you spent with them with your mind's eye as vividly as you can. His or her face, clothes, colors, smell, and atmosphere. Visualize that scene as clearly as you can while breathing gently and deeply. Imagine yourself filled with love, kindness, and peace. Hold your self-image as vividly as possible. Feel yourself fill up with a warm, compassionate, and peaceful energy. Now, feel your body become healthier and stronger than ever. When you open your eyes, you will see the world around you with a view of love. Take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.